I want people to think about like, how do you cultivate a culture of purpose by, in this case today, making holiness this kind of living experience inside of your organization? We should want to make holiness a living experience. This means having purpose led communication strategies where everything from emails to meetings reflect the organization's values and purposes that we've talked about today, like the importance of those, where it celebrates purposeful milestones that align with the organization's larger mission that it's on. By the way, HubSpot, to help marketers not suck. If you boiled it down in 2012, that's what they were trying to do, but also encourages employee led purpose initiatives that bring those values to life in real, tangible ways. So, the bottom line, Chris, what I'm talking about here today with you is by embracing holiness, not as a religious idea, but as a way of aligning with higher principles, we can transform not only our personal lives, but also our teams and organizations along the way.